Chapter is protein. What is protein? Protein are high molecular weight peptide containing alpha amino acids joined together by peptide linkage. Proteins are mainly classified into three types. First one is simple protein, second one is conjugated protein, and third is derived protein. Simple protein are albumin, globulin, glutein, prolamine, scleroprotein, histone, and protamines. Conjugated proteins are nucleoprotein, phosphoprotein, glycoprotein, lipoprotein, metalloprotein, and chromoproteins. Derived proteins are divided into two types: primary derived protein, secondary derived protein. Primary derived protein metaprotein, secondary derived protein is proteoses, peptones, and peptides. And the first MCQ question is the repeating unit of protein are options are glucose unit, amino acids, fatty acid, peptide. The repeating unit of proteins are amino acids. Answer is amino acid, option number B. And the second question is amino acids are joined by options are peptide bond, hydrogen bond, ionic bond, glycosidic bond. The right answer is peptide bond. Amino acids are joined by peptide bond. The third question is the structure of protein can be destroyed by which rays? Options are ultraviolet rays, infrared rays, radio waves, microwaves. And the right answer is option A, ultraviolet rays. Fourth question is the first protein sequenced by Frederick Sanger is options are hemoglobin, myoglobin, insulin, myosin. The right answer is insulin. The question number 5 is the classification of the protein into two types depends on options are structure and function, types of amino acids, number of amino acids, none of the above. And the right answer is option A, structure and function. Number 6 is myoglobin is A. Options are protein with primary structure, option B protein with secondary structure, option C protein with tertiary structure, option D protein with quaternary structure. The myoglobin is A. Option C protein with tertiary structure. Question number 7 is tertiary structure is maintained by options are option A peptide bond, option B hydrogen bond, option C disulfide bond, option D all of the above. The answer is option D all of the above. Question number 8 is the hemoglobin protein has which structure? Primary structure, secondary structure, tertiary structure, quaternary structure. The right answer is option D, quaternary structure. The question number 9 is the total number of amino acids are involved in protein synthesis in plant. Options are 10, 22, 13, 20. The right answer is 10. Option A is the right answer. The question number 10 is at high temperature proteins are options are destroyed, inactive, denatured, A or B. And at high temperature proteins are destroyed or inactive. The option D is the right answer. 11 proteins are classified into options are 1, 3, 8, 4. The right answer is option B, 3. Number 12 is protein most abundant in human body are options are collagen, myosin, actin, albumin. The right answer is collagen. Option A is the right answer. Question number 13, which element is normally absent in protein? Options are carbon, nitrogen, sulfur, and phosphorus. Option D is the right answer. Phosphorus absent in protein because proteins are made up of amino acids which contain carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, and oxygen. Example of milk protein is lactogen, myosin, casein, and pepsin. The right answer is option C, casein. Question number 15. Which of the following will be different in different animal? Options are fats, carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins. The right answer is proteins. Number 16. Proteins are transported in the body in form of amino acids, natural protein, enzyme, nucleic acid. The right answer is amino acid. Question number 17. Which is the most important structural part of the body? Protein, carbohydrate, lipid, nucleic acid. And the right answer is option A, protein. Question number 18. The blood group proteins of man are composed of options are glycoprotein, mucoprotein, lipoprotein, phosphoprotein. The blood group protein of man are composed of glycoprotein. Option A is the right answer. Question number 19. Example of phosphoprotein is options are mucin, fibrinogen, casein and myosin. Example of phosphoprotein is option C, casein. Casein is the right answer. Question number 20. Which one of the following is not a protein? Options are cytochrome, myoglobin, fibrinogen, urea. The right answer is option D, urea. Urea is not a protein. Question number 21. Collagen is example of options are fibrous protein, globular protein, lipid and carbohydrate. Collagen is an example of option A is the right answer, fibrous protein. Question number 22. Identify the protein which does not contain any metal. Options are cytochrome, glycoprotein, ferritin. The right answer is glycoprotein. Option C. Number 23. Which one of the following is an example of a globular protein? Options are collagen, myoglobin, hemoglobin, insulin. The right answer is option C, hemoglobin. Number 24. Which protein that helps to regulate blood flow, sugar? Options are insulin, glucagon, somatostatin, all of the above. The right answer is option D, all of the above. And last question is 25. Which of the following protein that is involved in muscle contraction? Options are actin, myosin, troponin, all of the above. The right answer is option D, all of the above.